Hey guys, Adam here from Blue Line again. We really appreciate everyone that came out to the Atlanta show. We had an awesome time. It was great meeting a ton of you guys. But here on the YouTube channel, we are continuing on with Dorsal's takeover of the Blue Line channel. Since we are headed to Denver next weekend, I don't have a lot of content to put out because we've been so busy gearing up for these events. But the Dorsal Outdoor guys are still taking over, and this week we have an awesome red fishing film. It's the pinnacle of southern fly fishing as far as I'm concerned. We have a lot of respect for these fish. We love red fishing here. I think this film shows a different side of fly fishing filming, and I love that the fishing was tough. These guys actually just kind of hung the mics up and ended up just fishing for one of the days. And so you're definitely going to see a lot of content, fish being caught.
Okay, I'll take him. Sure he did.
Oh! I really hope you guys enjoy this one. Let us know what you think about the Dorsal takeover. If you're loving it, let us know. Leave something in the comments. Make sure you follow these guys. We got 2 films left after this one. So stay tuned because every Tuesday through February, we're dropping a new film from those guys. Stay tuned. Hopefully we see you guys in Denver.
What's the question? How we know it's ridiculous? Louisiana is the best red fishery on the planet. It's a fact.
Quality fish.
There's no question about it. It's agreed upon. And we came down to the southeast side of the marsh.
Day one of a trip that we've been really excited about for a while. So
ran 32 miles out on the first day and could not find clean water anywhere. It was just chocolate milk. Can't see anything. You couldn't see 6 inches in it. You couldn't see the fly 5 inches in the
inches, yeah.
It's all to be said. We tried 65 miles on the first day, round trip. Yeah, not the day we're looking for. Day 2, went to the basically outer edge again. Shot out to where we were told there could be some clean water. There's a tiny bit cleaner, but not enough. And
it was cleaner. That's not a lie. It just wasn't clean enough.
Still not clean.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, there's maybe a half dozen fish we saw today.
Yeah, so
yeah,
7 hours of fishing, 6 fish. That's not a typical Louisiana day.
We fished everything. Everything you
in
could
between,
fish.
some outside, some inside.
Long and short is it, we just suck.
3 days of fishing. After tomorrow, we'll clear 150 miles of running.
Day 3 is salvage the trip.
So now we're talking about going an hour and a half commute tomorrow,
plus the boat ride. That's just to the ramp. Hour and a half to the ramp.
13-mile boat ride.
Yeah.
So it'll be
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
And to a place we went last year and had pretty good success with.
And that was in November.
But we spent 6 days fishing it.
Sir, no, it's right here, Grand Bayou Pass.
Wow, is that a cigarette, Daniel? Those are bad for you. Why you soak that thing?
Yeah, because I want to stick to my lips.
Good structure, good habitat diversity in a small area. You got deep water channels right next to 1 foot flats.
We've got the option to hop outside in the actual Gulf, like Hard Edge Beach Gulf. And October's the time they're supposed to be like pre-spawn, getting ready, fattening up on pogies.
A lot more oysters down there too.
And there's oyster beds.
Yeah, there was a lot of mud bottom up where we were fishing the last 2 days, but that area down there is almost all oysters. Day 3, clean water, redemption. That's it. Try and pull it on it. Oh,
Yeah, I'll also take that as well.
just when I thought, just when I thought things were looking up. All right, well, a little bit of spaghetti in there. Well, I was trying to get it off the fucking bracket. Half that. Yep, I got it.
Yeah! My boy.
Attaboy, Danielle.
My boy.
How's it feel?
Oh my God, it feels good.
It's a good year.
Dude, I want to kiss you. Oh, mwah. That's fucking great, baby. Come on, be a gentleman.
Now's not the time. Oh yeah, get it in there. Straight. He's gonna eat the f out of it. Straight.
Oh.
He's all over it, dude. Yeah, that's it. He's gonna eat that? Oh, yeah. Oh, what? What was that? Where'd he go? Right there, turn his fat. Yep. Are you sure it's a red? Oh. Is he on it? He's tight, baby.
Yeah, baby. Let's go, man.
Louisiana, baby. That totally landed on his tail and he said, "What's that?"
Oh, come on.
Oh,
Oh, that a baby. God, too high on him.
you can let him run, yeah.
Okay.
It's a nice belly.
Woo! He's fucking flying. Oh, good cast, George.
Louisiana.
Keep going. One more. I'm gonna keep pushing. Oh yeah. He's behind it. He's behind it. Keep going. Give it another one. Give it another one. Oh my God. Oh no. Give it another one. Give it that one. There you go. Oh, give it another one.
Okay, I'll take him. Sure.
Oh. Yes. Dude, he's still right there. He's right there.
Look at your boy.
Combo.
Come on, you rolling?
Combo, give me a fly rod.
I mean, Louisiana, dude, you never know. Oh! Yeah, he's tight, come tight! No?
No.
In front of you, Dan, 12 o'clock. I'll get another one. Don't scare your boy! No!
Yeah, baby.
He's still hung up behind him.
Yep.
That was awesome. Oh, now he's spooked. That's what we call wake outs. Finally, we've seen some wake-in wakers. Push outs and wake outs. Fuck yeah, get his ass. Right in the corner of the mouth. Oh, look at this tank coming down the fucking fairway. Woo! Hell yeah, baby.
Look at that beauty.